Meteorologist Scott Pilier for the latest. Scott.
Yeah, guys, this storm going to bring all different types of hazards: freezing, rain, sleet, significant snow, and even a severe weather threat along the Gulf Coast. Classic Louisiana weather where all four seasons in the matter of about 24 hours are heading our way. Let me run through all of the different hazards that we've got. There's a look at that severe weather threat for parts of the central Gulf Coast. That's mainly late Saturday and into the day on Sunday. What we're going to be watching here locally is a significant cold air mass that's going to be plunging its way southward. And you're probably thinking to yourself, Scott, I haven't heard the term extreme cold watch. What does that mean? These started getting issued in 2024. They replaced the previous wind chill watches and warnings. We've already got extreme cold warnings flying for much of Texas, North Louisiana, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. Here locally, we've got a extreme cold watch. This will likely get upgraded to a warning. It means that we could see wind chills in the single digits or teens Sunday evening through Tuesday morning. Frostbite and hypothermia will likely occur if you're not bundled up with multiple layers out the door on Monday. Here's a snapshot of the projected wind chills. And again, we are not used to these kinds of numbers, especially after temperatures will likely climb into the 60s, if not 70s, early Sunday. It's going to be a shock to the system, so please make sure that you're taking the cold seriously. And also, don't forget about your furry friends. Make sure that they've got a warm place to go. This is a look at the forecasted low temperatures on the North Shore. Low 20s on Monday morning, upper teens Tuesday morning, and multiple nights of freezing temperatures through late next week. On the South Shore, my gardening gurus have been texting me, Scott, do we need to wrap the palm trees? This type of freeze could be damaging mid to upper 20s on the South Shore. I would say make sure any of your sensitive tropical plants are brought inside or wrapped up before Sunday afternoon as temperatures stay very cold throughout much of next week. Let's talk about the wintry weather setup. For the most part, I think that we're going to see cold rain across much of South Louisiana, but to our north, the pink, that's where a significant ice event is likely to unfold. And I think the bullseye from Dallas to Shreveport, Memphis to Nashville, some spots approaching an inch plus of freezing rain. That could cause treacherous travel for days into the middle of next week. Here locally, we've got a winter storm watch for northern Tangipahoa and Washington Parish. That means wintry weather is possible. Let me run you through the models, though, because most models do not show much of any ice for us here locally. Could that change? It's possible, but I actually think the thing that we've got to watch for tomorrow afternoon, 3, 4, 5 o'clock, is the possibility for 1 or 2 stronger thunderstorms. This is 7 to 8 o'clock, right around when Chewbacca is expected to roll. Brief gusty winds and even an isolated large hail or tornado not out of the question. I think the threat is low, but again, not a 0% chance. As we go into Sunday morning, we've got the temperatures in the mid 60s. A few additional storms are likely. This model keeps all the frozen stuff to our north. Could we see an isolated damaging wind gust, 60 plus miles per hour? Possible. Marginal threat there. Isolated tornado and hail threat and heavy rainfall. Some spots likely to pick up 2 to 3 inches of rain between Saturday and Sunday. And look at this 7-day forecast. Highs Monday in the upper 30s to near 40, 45 on Tuesday. That's why we've got first warning weather alert days Saturday through Tuesday and staying chilly, guys, all the way through the end of next week.
Still ahead.